Good morning, all. My very special greetings to the principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Alan Mish from Class 6, and today we are here to celebrate the most important day, the World Environment Day. First celebrated in 1974, and after that, this day is observed annually throughout the globe on 5th of June. Friends, it is being celebrated for years with lots of creative activities and enthusiasm to bring positive changes to the environment. The aim is to protect the natural environment forever on Earth for the healthy possibility of life. This event is celebrated globally in more than 100 countries because this issue cannot be solved individually by one country. It is a global issue and needs to be solved globally by the involvement of all countries around the world. It is run by the United Nations Environment Programme, whereas its annual celebration is hosted by different host cities across the world every year declared by the United Nations. Its main aim is to draw the attention of millions of people, including political and health organizations from different countries across the globe, to try make new plans and implement them accordingly. We are all linked with the environment. We breathe only because other elements in the environment are supporting our metabolic process. Any damage done to the environment will be reflected in our own health. Let's not forget that, friends. If the environment is damaged beyond a limit, then it would be like humankind dug a grave for itself. If we would have nowhere to go, then there would be no point in resentment for us. It is very necessary to address issues such as wastage, losses of food, pollution, increasing global warming, deforestation, industrialization, etc., in order to control the negative environmental changes. So we should focus more on carbon neutrality, forest management, managing the greenhouse effect, promoting biofuel production, the use of solar power to produce electricity, encouraging people to use solar water heaters, the use of the solar system, promoting coral reefs and mangrove restoration, and other effectives of environmental preservation. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration, and our neighboring country, Pakistan, is the global host for the day. This Environmental Day will kick off the UN's Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, a global mission to revive billions of hectares from forests to farmlands, from the top of the mountains to the depth of the sea. We must now fundamentally rethink our relationship with the environment, along with its natural ecosystem and their biodiversities, and work towards its restoration. With this, I would like to end my speech, hoping that you all were able to understand my views and will adopt a zero tolerance attitude towards environmental damage. Thank you all.